And for those of you who maybe didn't attend that one, or weren't able to catch up on that, can you talk about sureties a little bit and what those are, and then kind of how a criminal conviction might impact the
So,
ability to act as surety?
yeah, what a surety does is they kind of act as an insurer over the estate. So, typically, what would happen is somebody applies to be the administrator of an estate. And one of the things the court is potentially worried about is that that administrator is going to take all the money from the estate. They're going to pick up, move, and flee the country. And now all of a sudden, there's a bunch of bills out there that need to be paid. And, these were valid creditor claims and things along those lines. And what the surety does is they fill in for that administrator if they were to turn and run off like that. So they would be responsible for covering those bills. Um, what a surety typically has to do is fill out a brief financial statement with the court that says, in essence, first of all, they're good for the money if the person did ever end up doing that. But one of the questions on there is going to be, have you been convicted of any felonies that potentially could affect you serving as a surety? So the judge is going to look at this person. And again, if we've got some sort of crime of moral turpitude that says this person is a regular, liar or something along those lines, the judge is just going to look at that financial statement and say, I don't know why I would trust this. I'm not going to allow this person to be a surety over this. So it's a major thing that would be considered by a judge as to whether or not they would approve that person as a surety.